killed you. You're dead. Hey, gonna go hide the body. Gonna go hide the body. Gonna hide the body behind this chair. Hopefully the Popo doesn't see his feet. Ha ha ha! Now he is dead. Stand right here. Mom, I knew you were the one all along. Don't you know killing is never the answer? Don't you know that kids off the streets never kill? It's not the answer. I killed that guy. It's okay. But there's one thing. I have to kill you! Pew, 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 pew! Pew, 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 pew! Pew, 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 pew! Pew, 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 pew! Pew, pew! I'm dead. No, you're not. Yeah. 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 Bye bye. Zombie!